According to DJI, U.S. Customs has recently blocked some of their imports of drones coming into the U.S. Since they recently came out with the DJI Air 3S, there has been some delays with getting that to consumers in the U.S. So we all know there's a lot of things going on with DJI right now, but this is the latest update. DJI states that they do not use forced labor and that it is a misunderstanding. DJI sent a letter out to its partners and suppliers. This is courtesy of Vox.com, and you can view the entire letter. I'll leave a link in the description below. It says, "We're reaching out to inform you about customs-related issues that's currently limiting DJI's ability to import select drones into the United States." Let me know what you think of this latest news. Drop a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more drone tips and drone news.